Hello everyone, in this video we will learn which plugin to use to show advertises on our WordPress website. Now let's scroll and click on plugins. Click on add new button. Search for add inserter. We will install this plugin. Install now. After installing, we need to activate it. So after installation, we need to scroll down, then hover on settings, then click on add inserter. As you can see, the add inserter plugin looking for a add insertion code. This code is Google AdSense code, which we need to grab from Google AdSense. To make this plugin functional, the Google AdSense account need to be connected and the website must be online, which means it has to be a live website. After connecting the AdSense into our website, it will take more than 1 hour to make it work. As you can see, our website is in local environment and we don't have an AdSense account yet. So we're not going to see those steps now because it isn't relevant because we don't have the requirements yet. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you will try it when you host your website on live server. Thank you.